There it is. Good throw. Good thrower. Oh, big jumping lab. All right. You ever seen those crazy labs over in Japan? Skinny things, leaping like crazy. Oh, man.
This guy, Dan's making that one guy look like
to be a brown dog, too.
You go, Kona.
There it is.
Did she get it? Yeah, she's doing so good.
Dan's thrown frisbee before because he's picked up on the fact
Oh,
we're
come
throwing
on, get
into
it,
a
get it.
headwind from the left and he's putting the around the disc.
Did she get it? Yes, she's killing this. This is the natural.
One of those hippies from the 70s out at the beach. Is that you? There it is. All right.
Oh my God.
So you notice what he's doing. We have our wind coming from the left and kind of straight to us, and what we usually
Get one more
do
in.
is
Get one more. Get one more. Get it.
We're going to put it on an angle with the outside edge, the left edge down. That makes the disc sub-correct.
There you go, Kona.
You are the champion.
Good puppy.